September the 22nd, 1934 was a Saturday. Some miners at the Gresford colliery had swapped shifts so that they'd be able to go and watch Wrexham play football that afternoon. But of course they were never to make the match, as an explosion 2,000 feet underground ripped open the Dennis shaft in the early hours of that morning. The disaster claimed 266 lives, all local colliers whose families rushed to the colliery pithead. Only 6 men on a break escaped from that shift. Volunteer rescuers armed with only nose clips and canaries against deadly carbon monoxide gas went down to try and save any survivors. 3 of the rescue brigade from the nearby Llawn colliery also perished. The families waited in vain until Sunday night, when it became apparent that nobody was coming up from that Dennis shaft alive. Popular reaction was immense and immediate. £566,000 was raised for widows and the children of those lost, the equivalent of around £30 million today. The surviving miners were effectively abandoned by the pit owners and had to sign on the dole at a time of mass unemployment. The Gresford colliery is now closed. The tip, its only visible reminder of a pit that employed 2,200 workers. But a lasting memorial to the 266 lives lost stands outside the Gresford Colliery Club, and this statement is also testimony to their sacrifice and the sacrifice made by countless Welsh miners over the years. The bodies of those caught in the explosion remain entombed deep underground, but they will never be forgotten.